Right, today we're going to have a quick chat about light units. Sealed beams first. There's a lot of talk around that you can no longer get sealed beams, but you can. 7-inch and 5 3/4. These came in about 1963 and lasted, well, into the early 70s. They're called a sealed beam because the whole light unit is sealed. So you don't put a bulb in, you just connect your connector straight to the back of the light unit. In fact, it is just like a big bulb. You can no longer get a sealed beam which hasn't got a side light. But that's quite simple because a side light in a sealed beam is purely a clear window on which you hang a bulb behind it. So if your particular application hasn't got side lights, you just don't use it and just wire up the main and dip. The disadvantage of seal beams is when they blow like a bulb does, you need to replace the whole thing. But they were a big step up from the British pre-focus that preceded them up to 1963. The 5 3/4 seal beams were usually on cars that had a 4 headlight setup. There were two types, a 2 connector and a 3 connector. The 2 connector was your inner main beam only, and then your 3 connector was your outer main and dip. These seal beams were later replaced by, first of all, European style light units, and then of course halogen, which are widely popular still. We do replacement halogen units. We do Lucas, YPAC, and various other budget ones. These are Lucas I've got here. Again, the 5 3/4, same setup as that. You had an inner light unit and an outer light unit, your inner one being your main beam, your outer main and dip. This specific one here uses an H1 bulb, which is one of these. And the big advantage, apart from the much better light output on these, is that all you have to do is change your bulb. When you're doing that, always remember never to touch the glass on a halogen bulb. This bulb here is the H4, which is a main and dip 60-55 watt, which goes in the main 7-inch headlight. The particular one I've got here is main dip and side light. So you just have a little separate side light bulb holder there, and you've got your H4 bulb. As I say, these will get much better output than the seal beams were previously. Nowadays we can change these obviously for LED, which we've mentioned in a previous video. All these ranges of light units are available on our website, halogen.co.uk, along with all the individual fitting parts, the back shells, the wiring harnesses, a whole range of bulbs, outer rims, everything you need to fit them to your car. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and this will keep you informed on all our new products that we're doing and helpful guides on fitment of the ones we've already got in stock. As I say, check out our website where they're all available, halogen.co.uk.